Hi, I'm Kyle from the University of Vienna, and we're here doing a hydrogeological field course. Hi, I'm here to talk to you today about hydraulic testing, specifically a slug and bail test. We are here trying to make some measurements to get some information about the hydraulic conductivity of the aquifer we're on. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take this metal slug and drop it down an observation well. And there's a pressure sensor inside the well that will measure how the water pressure changes as a function of time. It takes measurements every second. And as it takes measurements of the pressure decreasing, we can create a graph, and from that graph get information about the hydraulic conductivity. I don't know what else to say.